If you like the content to our channel, please subscribe, like the video, and we'll keep the content coming. We're making videos every day of new incoming inventory. This is a 2021 Ford Explorer Platinum Edition. You're gonna have to excuse the video because the yard is a little tight. Really nice car. Runs and drives. We're selling it with a salvage title. It has some damage down the left side. The understructure looks pretty good. It's got some damage to the wheel. Left front door needs to be replaced. Rocker panel looks like it has a little bit of pressure on it. Left rear door needs to be replaced. Left quarter panel is in perfect condition. It is a Platinum Edition. It means it's fully loaded. Let's take a look inside. Full leather interior. Panoramic roof. Has all the options. Navigation. You have a deployed seat airbag here. It's also a 7-passenger. Passenger seat airbag is deployed as well. You have a driver airbag that's deployed. A knee airbag that's deployed as well. Seat belt is locked, needs to be replaced. Let's go under the hood. All the coolers and intercoolers are intact. Structurally, the car looks good under the hood. Stabilizer bar is straight. There's no physical damage to the engine. It'll be on our website soon. Prices, details, mileage. Thanks for watching.